Namaste dear friends, I would like to share with you today 6 important yoga poses that you can practice every day. I suggest you to hold each yoga posture at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, then move to the next yoga posture. We'll be starting now. The first yoga posture is Padahastasana. Your feet are you can make the feet together or your hip width apart. Inhale, both hands up. As you exhale from the hip, move forward, bend down. Place your palms by the side of the feet. If you have any problem with your knees or hamstrings or your lower back, you can slightly bend the knees and breathe in the position. And if you don't have such problems, you can keep the knees straight, bring the foot between the knees and breathe. Stay in the posture at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Slowly come to the center. The second yoga posture is Trikonasana. Your both feet were more than shoulder width apart. Your right toe pointing out, left toe pointing in. Both hands. As you inhale, both hands on shoulder level. As you exhale, bring the hands, right hand near to the right feet and look at the left fingers. Stay in the both elbows are straight, both knees are straight. Stay in the posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute and move to the other side. Now, inhale, come to center. Exhale down. We'll be doing the other side. Your left toe pointing out, right toe pointing in. Inhale, both hands up and shoulder level. Exhale to the left side and look at the right fingertip. And breathe. Stay there for 30 seconds to 1 minute. And slowly come to the center. The next yoga posture is Sedu Bandhasana or Kandarasana. Lie down on the mat. Bend your knees, your heels are near to the buttocks. Hold your ankles with the both hands. If it is not possible, you can place the elbows on the mat. As you inhale, slowly, your hip up, chest up. Bring your chest towards to the chin. Stay in the posture at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. And slowly down. This is Kandarasana. The other one is Paschimottanasana or sitting forward bend. Now, the other posture, keep the knees straight, toes facing up, upper body straight. Inhale, both hands up, elbows are straight. As you exhale, slowly forward bend down. Hold your toes or your ankles with the both hands. And keeping the knees straight and slowly moving forward down. And breathe. If you have a problem, if you have a little bit fat in the body, you can slightly separate the feet and move forward and breathe. Paschimottanasana. The next posture, you have to stay in the posture at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and we are moving to the other one. Then lie down on your abdomen. Place your elbows closer to the body. Palms facing down. Palms are under the shoulders. Knees are together. Toes pointing out. Now inhale. Slowly head up, chest up. Your hip on the mat. Abdomen on the mat. Only your chest is up. Lower abdomen on the mat. And breathe. 30 seconds to 1 minute and exhale down. From there, you have to come up and sit on your heels. You're doing a spinal twist. Sit on your heels, Hold your right knee with the left hand, right hand behind the back, and twist the upper body towards the right side. Stay in the position for the mentioned period and come to center. Then we'll be doing the other side. Hold the left knee with the right hand behind the back, twist the upper body towards the left, and breathe. Exhale, come to the center. These are the important 6 yoga postures that you can practice every day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Practice this in your daily practice and find out the result. I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.